Hello friends, how are you? Welcome on Math Lovers TV. You are with your teacher Joshua. In our videos, we are committed to present about mathematics. Please remember to subscribe, remember to make share, and remember to make comments. In this video, we are going to demonstrate the denominators and the common denominators of fractions in addition and subtraction. Let's get started. Learning objectives. After watching this video, you will be able to explain the use of common denominator in addition and subtraction of fractions. What is a denominator? A denominator is a number which represents the whole in a fraction. Let us take a look to the following pictures. Here I have a square which contains 4 equal parts. This square contains 4 equal parts, part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4. If we sum up these parts, we get the total of 4. The sum of these parts gives the total of 4. These 4 represent the whole square. Now, this 4 is to be a denominator. Simply, the number under the fraction bar, this is a fraction bar, this number under the fraction bar is said to be a denominator. Now, let us think about this. If I take one part from the whole, what am I going to get? Let's take a look. Suppose that I have that square and I'm going to take one part away from the square. As you see, this part is taken away from 4 parts of the square. Now, what this means? This is one part taken from 4 parts to make the fraction of 1/4. The fraction of 1/4. As you see, this number represents one part taken, fraction bar. These 4 represent the whole number of parts that make up this figure. Now, let us try to apply this in the following operations. Addition. Before keep going on, please remember to subscribe, share, and leave a comment. In addition, let us try to model the operation below and try to understand what is going to happen. Let's take a look. If I have 1/4, this means it's one part taken from 4 parts. And then we add 2/4, which means 2 parts taken from 4 parts. What do you think is going to be the answer? This will be equal to 1 plus 2 divided by 4 by using figures. We have 4-part figure. I'm going to combine these two figures together. Now, 1, I take 2 and 3. Now we have obtained 3 taken parts from 4 whole parts. This gives the answer of 3 over 4, which will be the answer here. As you see, if I add 1 plus 2 gives the 3 parts taken from 4 parts. Let us make another operation, which is subtraction. We are going to try to model subtraction operation and try to understand what is going to happen. Now, the question is like this. If I have 3 over 4 is 3 parts taken from 4 parts. Then I take away 2 over 3, which is 2 parts taken from 4 parts. Then this will be, I'm going to take away 2 parts from both sides. 3 minus 2 divided by 4, which will be, I take away 1 part and another part. As you see, I left with only 1 part taken from 4 parts. This will give only 1 part remaining from 4 parts. Now, this model diagram is going to represent 1 over 4, which is 1 part taken from 4 parts, which will be the answer here. As you see, 3 minus 2 divided by 4 is 1 over 4. Thank you. This was part 1. Part 2 is coming soon, trying to add and subtract the fraction with different denominators. We are trying to use the models so we understand very well. See you in the next videos. Please remember to subscribe, share, and leave a comment.